YouTube. So today I got a package in, mail day from Blowout Cards. So this should be my box of Topps Heritage Minors 2015. If you guys saw my last mail day video, I said that hopefully getting it in on the release date, but got here a little bit late, ordered it a little bit late. Don't know, I'm using my keys and cut scissors right here. And I'm going to be trying to do more like release date videos now, not like entire cases, but just like boxes that, you know, some of the bigger releases for baseball, football, basketball, and hockey. Try to get a box break done within the first week that they come out. All right, like I said, obviously this product came out like a week, maybe a week and a half ago, and actually not even that much, maybe almost a week ago now. So a lot of you guys have probably seen this opened already, but if you have not, this is what the box looks like. I did a case break of, I think it was like 2011 Topps Heritage Minors when it first came out. Get a good position on this here. Alright. Not quite. There we go. Alright. 2015 Topps Heritage Minors. I think it's 3 hits in a box. Alright. That's what the card design looks like if you guys have not seen it yet. Okay, and I'm not good with the short prints or anything like that yet, so if I happen to go buy any short prints that you guys see, I mean, I'm not really going to go through the base individually, but definitely let me know. Alright, so got one of those little minor league debut cards. Don't know if those sell for anything. I don't know if someone really is trying to buy up all of them and really trying to get a minor league contract. Alright, so got minor league leaders, Kris Bryant, Matt Olson, and Tony Kemp. And then minor miracles, Corey Seager. I know that a lot of those leader cards have Kris Bryant, but I don't have a Kris Bryant base card. I don't know if he had already debuted by the time this product had been in the works. And I also know with this checklist, it tended to be quite a few repeats of older prospects. That's what most people's complaints are about Heritage, which, I mean, it's hard to come up with a new checklist when you're doing it so late in the year. Alright, so got Matt Olson, Joey Gallo, and Kris Bryant. And minor miracles look like Lucas Sims. Yeah. Chance Sisco, Jordy Lair, and Steven Souza, leaders, and then Cody Scarpetta, miracles. Seems like Cody Scarpetta's been in the minors for forever now. I don't know how long it's actually been. Chad Pinder Blue, numbered to... I guess these aren't numbered. Alright, well, I guess it's some type of short print. Chad Pinder Blue. I know they used to have the shades. I haven't done Topps Heritage Minors since 2011, so... a lot of information on a lot of my information on this product's pretty outdated. Alright, got Chris Bryant, DJ Peterson, and Marquez Smith. I do like the look of the cards, though. Another minor league debut. I think you get 2 of those. Yeah. Got an orange Nick Gordon. That one's numbered to 25. It's a nice one. See if I didn't. Nope. See, it really is not numbered. Alright, got Ben Lively, Aaron Blair, and Taylor Cole leaders, and then Road to the Show, Gleyber Torres, probably one of those 2. Still looking for the first hit. Alright, got Jose Pereza, Rafael Bautista, and Malik Smith. And then Justin Nicolino Blue. Road to the Show, Rob Kaminsky. Leaders, Oliver Drake, Enrique Burgos, and Eric Sekula. And then Lucas Giolito Blue. Road to the Show, Nick Chufo. Alright, still looking for the first hit. Base. Road to the Show, Michael Conforto. Base. Oh, there's the first autograph. Alright. Henry Owens, Tim Cooney, and Antonio Senzato, something like that. And then Harold Ramirez, first autograph. I know that the hits are never really that big in here, or at least it's harder to find a good one. Okay, got a relic numbered to 50, Robert Stevenson. So I guess that's a decent one. Got a Nathaniel Delgado, Road to the Show. Alright, 3 packs left. Excuse me. Dylan Floro, Chris Heston, and Shinmeng Wong. Never thought I'd see him in this product. Leaders. Buddy Borden, autograph. Yep. Sure enough, same one, 34 years old, still going kind of strong. Got a Road to the Show, Brian Anderson. And then last pack. Got a Leaders of Glenn Sparkman, Tyler Glasnow, and Brian Johnson. Alright. So, give you guys a quick recap of all the hits, short prints, and that sort of deal. So it looks like we got 3 blues. Alright. So going ahead with the short prints, got a Nick Gordon, orange, number to 25. Got Chad Pinder, Lucas Giolito, and Justin Nicolino, blue. Centering on these kind of rough. Alright, then got Harold Ramirez autograph, Robert Stevenson jersey number to 50, and Buddy Borden autograph. Alright, so I think it's a cool product. Obviously same design as the regular Heritage, but I do really like the design. All these cards will be up on my eBay Sport Lots, all that, probably by tonight, so I'll put that in the description below, or I'll put the links to all that to the description below. Like I said, I'm going to be trying to get back into my card videos, try to get more box breaks done. I know that I do have at least a jumbo box of 2015 Bowman Draft, on pre-order for, I believe it's November. So that is a little bit while away, but I'm planning to do a couple boxes of that. I normally do Bowman Draft when it comes out every year. Don't always get the videos up, but should be fun. So yeah, like I said, if you guys are interested in anything, let me know. Definitely like, comment, subscribe. So yeah, that's pretty much it. See ya.